So we're going to see exactly why here we should never have an S-trap, especially if it's not vented like this one. You're going to actually be able to see the water being sucked down and hear the water being sucked down, and then the air gap is broken so that air can escape. So first we're going to take a look at the water here, running some water. Take a look at it going through the pipe. You can see the water line there just below that upper nut there. And the water should be at that level because it stops air from getting through. Now we're going to shut the water off and you can see how it sucks the water back down the pipe. So you can see and hear the water being sucked down, and that's because this is an S-trap and it has no vent. So we're back here and we put this vent in on this 1.5 ABS line here. And now we're going to take a look at how the water reacts when there can be venting behind it. You'll notice that this makes a little bit of a humming noise, and really that's just because we chose a cheaper vent to put on here. They make some that are much better and don't make so much noise. So here we're going to take an actual look. We put a Y on there, and then a street 45, then almost 2 feet of pipe, the adapter, and then screwed the vent in on the top. Thanks for watching. Check my channel for more videos.